Now when you insert a picture into a Word document, you really can't control the size that the picture will be inserted as. So you may wish to resize the picture, and one way is to do this visually using the mouse. If I click on the picture, I end up with what they call little placeholders, and these are the little white things that you see around the outside of the picture. What I tend to do is put my mouse in the bottom right corner, and my mouse changes to a double-headed arrow. If I then drag towards the center of that picture, I can proportionally reduce the size of the picture without distorting the height or the width too much. If I drag the little corner out to the right, I can enlarge the picture. So you can visually enlarge or shrink the picture. But if you're required to reduce the size of the picture to an exact set of dimensions, then you may wish to use the Picture Tools Format tab in the ribbon. Towards the right hand side, you'll see there's a height and a width setting. For example, currently the height is 11.04 centimeters and the width is 14.72. If I'm asked to reduce the height to 4 centimeters, I'll take out the text in this box and type 4. As soon as I press enter, the height has been changed to 4 centimeters, and proportionally the width has been changed to 5.33. If I wish the width to be 4, I'll take out the reading in the box and type 4. As soon as I type 4, the height is reduced to 3 centimeters. In order to avoid distorting the picture, you set the width or you set the height, and the other dimension automatically changes. But if I have to set this picture to 4 centimeters high and 4 centimeters wide, then I'll have to hit the Size dialog box launcher. In the bottom right corner of the size group is the dialog box launcher, this little arrow, and if you click this, you can set the exact size. I would like the height to be absolutely 4 centimeters and the width to be exactly 4 centimeters. But every time I change the width, the height changes, and every time I change the height, the width changes. In order to set the dimensions exactly 4 by 4, I need to untick these two options here, Lock Aspect Ratio and Relative to Original Picture Size. Now I can accept the 4 as the width, and I can enter 4 as a height. And when I click OK, I can check to the right of my Picture Tools Format ribbon that the height is exactly 4 and the width is exactly 4, but the picture has been slightly distorted.